First, take note that this line and this line, they are the radii of the circle. So this line is also radius. So actually all the lines here, they are all equal, which means this big rectangle is cut into two equal squares. And because the two green line equals 16, then we know that 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. 8 is the radius, right? Okay. Then to find the area of the semicircle, half times pi r square, pi times radius equals to 100.48. So part A done. Next, part B, find the difference between area x, area y. So I want to find, I will call this part y and this is x. Okay, not I call, it's inside the question, is printed there. Then I will call this part z. Okay, now if you notice this this piece here looks like a boomerang, right? Okay, you can actually find this by taking the square minus the quarter circle. That will give you y and z. And the other thing we take note of is this yellow part is a triangle, consists of x plus z. Okay, so if I take z plus y versus z plus x, okay, then we can find the difference between the x and y. This portion actually represents the difference between x and y. So we don't know what is x, we don't know what is y, but we know what is z plus x. Okay, so let's find z plus x. Z plus x is the boomerang, so it is 1 square 8 times 8 minus 1/4 circle 1/4 times pi r square equals to 13.76. So we know that this part here is 13.76. Then what is the z plus x? Z plus x is made up of a triangle, which is half times base 16 times height 8 equals 64. So what is the difference between these two? It is 13.76. Sorry, the other way around. It should be 64. Subtract the boomerang 13.76 to give us a difference of 50.24. So that's the difference between the x and y. Okay, why does it work? Because without the z, right, can you see that the difference is the same place? Is this 50.24? With the z added in, it is still 50.24. So they have this constant difference. So we can just make use of that. Without knowing the exact value of x and y, we can find the difference between x and y by relying on the help of the part z. Okay, so that's the answer.